A comfortable home is one where you can relax without constant outside noise or temperature fluctuations. In many homes, older doors are a major source of sound intrusion and energy loss. For homeowners in Little Rock, replacing outdated doors is an effective way to reduce noise, improve indoor comfort, and enhance overall quality of life. Modern replacement doors are designed to perform far better than older models, offering benefits that go beyond appearance. Why older doors allow noise inside? Many older doors were built with hollow cores, thin materials, or worn seals. Over time, gaps form around the frame, allowing outdoor noise to pass through easily. Traffic sounds, neighborhood activity, and even wind can travel through these weak points. In Little Rock homes, especially those near busy areas, outdated doors can make indoor spaces feel loud and uncomfortable. How replacement doors block sound? Modern replacement doors are constructed with solid cores and sound-dampening materials that absorb noise rather than letting it pass through. Thicker door panels and improved frame designs create a stronger barrier against sound transmission. For Little Rock homeowners, this means a quieter home environment where daily activities and relaxation are less disrupted by outside noise. Improved sealing makes a big difference. One of the most effective noise reduction features of replacement doors is improved sealing. High-quality weather stripping and tight-fitting frames eliminate gaps where sound can enter. In Little Rock homes, proper sealing not only reduces noise but also improves insulation and energy efficiency. Better temperature control and comfort. Noise reduction often goes hand in hand with improved indoor comfort. Replacement doors help prevent drafts and heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures more consistent. This is especially valuable during seasonal temperature changes. Little Rock homeowners benefit from reduced strain on heating and cooling systems and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced privacy for everyday living. Reducing noise isn't just about blocking outside sounds, it also helps contain indoor noise. Replacement doors improve privacy by preventing sound from traveling between rooms or outside the home. For Little Rock families, this added privacy enhances comfort and everyday enjoyment of their living space. Ideal locations for noise-reducing doors. Replacement doors are especially effective at front entrances, patio doors, and rooms facing busy streets. Bedrooms, home offices, and living areas benefit the most from improved sound insulation. In Little Rock homes, strategically upgrading key doors can deliver noticeable comfort improvements without replacing every door at once. Long-term value and durability. Modern replacement doors are built with durable materials that maintain their performance over time. They resist warping, cracking, and wear, ensuring long-lasting noise reduction and comfort. For Little Rock homeowners, this durability adds long-term value and peace of mind. A quieter, more comfortable home in Little Rock. Replacing old doors is a simple yet powerful way to improve indoor comfort. By reducing noise, sealing out drafts, and stabilizing indoor temperatures, replacement doors help create a calm and comfortable living environment. For Little Rock homeowners, this upgrade delivers lasting benefits that enhance daily life and home value.